Hello everyone, welcome to the Siesta Romance India color contact review. Here are my friend's naturally light brown eyes. We are outside on a sunny day. If you shine a really bright light in her eyes, she actually has quite a bit of blue and green patches, so her eyes are almost bordering on hazel. So this is how Romance India would look on a fairly light brown eye, and it won't necessarily look the same if your eyes are a darker brown. Here's how the contact looks in comparison to her natural eye color. So as you can see, it's not that marked of a difference. It blends really well with her naturally light brown eye. And even though the limbal ring is oddly a blue color, it just works really well how all the colors meld together. And it's very flattering for someone with a light brown eye. And it looks very natural even up close. The pupil hole is really well blended. It is feathered, it looks like, and it's not too big or too small. It's the perfect size in my opinion. Here's how they look in both eyes. So this is just an absolutely stunning color. The colors are very multi-dimensional. I think Siesta did a really good job with this contact. It's not just one color. There's the blue, there's kind of a yellow-green multi-dimensional color going on with these contacts. So bravo Siesta, this is a great color. Here's how it looks from a distance. As you can see, it looks even more natural. Like, I would not think that she's wearing contacts personally, just because it just blends so well with her natural eye color. Thank you for watching everyone. If you enjoy color contact reviews, please subscribe.